Hey everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy. Today, a quick update about a major Windows 11 issue and its fix. Microsoft has released an emergency update called KB5085516 to fix a serious sign-in problem affecting Windows 11 users. The issue started after the March 2026 update KB5079473. Users couldn't sign into apps like Teams, Outlook, OneDrive, Edge, Word, Excel, and even Copilot. Even with internet working, people saw a no internet error blocking access to Microsoft apps completely. Good news. This problem only affected devices using Microsoft accounts. Work or school accounts, Enter ID, were safe. Now, Microsoft has fixed it with this emergency update released on March 21st, 2026. If you're using Windows 11 versions 24H2 or 25H2, go to Settings. Select Windows Update. Check for updates, or go to Advanced Options. Click Advanced Options. Scroll down and select Optional Updates. Check the boxes next to the KB5085516 updates. Click Download and Install. That's it for today. Stay updated, stay positive. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech updates.